Hey, what is going on, guys? Edward here, back with another video. Thank you so much for being here again. Today I will show you how I was able to spot this trade today, a 1 to 10 risk to reward, even though I actually encountered two losses on Nasdaq. Nasdaq was actually, let me show you right here what I sent to the VIP this morning. Nasdaq US30. I was kind of thinking that the market could even get higher. Right here you see that order block, that what I was expecting after the price creating that change of character. Price was bullish, reacting to an order block at the top, which is what I'm going to show you in a few minutes. But Nasdaq right here, it stopped me out. I had these two order blocks, potential order blocks right here, and the two of them got actually, like, it went a little higher, stopping me out on both because I did place sell limit orders on both zones and I got stopped out. But let's go ahead and break down first the main right here, which was on US30. A couple of things were happening. If we go on bigger time frames right here, 4 hour and daily, what we're seeing is that the market is actually reaching an order block on a daily time frame. You see that in fact it did touch. Let me zoom in right here. See that week the market is touching that order block that formed right here on the daily, so it's reacting. So what I did was I just went on smaller time frames. I was trying to spot an order block right here in this area. So I was spotting a few zones that I was interested in, so basically point of interest. So I had potential zone right here, also at the top, and this one in particular, which is the one that got activated. So let me clean this for the moment. So I was seeing that on a 30-minute, the market, you see it's kind of messy right here. Like the movement, it's very messy. It's not a clean drop, or we're having a lot of spikes. You see a lot of wicks to the upside, huge wicks. Like the market is very indecisive. I would say the only clean drop was right here, to be honest. This was the one that I was being more attracted to. Plus, of course, when the New York Stock Exchange opened this morning, it was very volatile. The price pushed up and it went down again very strong. I was not in my house most of the morning. I was actually driving. I was doing some things, and I was not monitoring like closely from my computer. So when I came back, that's when the market was starting to get somewhere here near this area. So I was like, okay, I do a spot liquidity right here above this highs, and we do have liquidity. The market went up, wiping out these guys right here, these early sellers, and then the market, of course, activating another order block right there. So this was my second order block after spotting, of course, the reversal. The market is reversing already. You see that while the price is pushing up, it's breaking the structures all the time to the upside until it breaks now this previous low. That's my change of character. So price drops. I have to be aware and checking where the market is and where the order blocks, the potential order blocks in this drop are. Okay, that's my job. Also using your Fibonacci from the high to the low, looking if we are in a discount area or premium area. So we're definitely in a discount area right there, so that's a good sign. Perfect. And now what I did, that was on the 30-minute, right? That's an order block on the 30-minute. So I have two order blocks now. I have this one and the 30-minute order block. So I decided to go smaller time frames. I could have easily done this. I could have easily done this already, like placing the sell limit order right there and maybe aiming to below this low. Okay, right there, is the best, like, because it's the second order block that you're spotting. Okay, so right here you understand that the market is already showing you that direction. It's going to the downside. It's creating the change of character. It's breaking the structure to the downside. So it's shifting. Market is shifting. So right there, beautiful. Right here was actually my first entry. My first entry was right here at the 30-minute. Then I decided to go with smaller time frames and try to spot again. Same thing. It's like, you see what I'm doing? I'm going from the 4 hour, which is spotting the same thing, BOS, all the time when the price is reaching that order block. So now that I'm on a 15-minute, 5-minute scaling in, you see, I'm seeing the same thing. The price is breaking the structures to the upside, is reaching that order block right there. So let's go 1 minute, and this is what I spotted. Basically, it's the same thing. I spotted everything. So, you know, 3, how many order blocks? So 3 order blocks right now telling me to sell, basically. So what we're seeing is the market, again, market is bullish, still bullish. Even on a 1 minute, it was showing a bullish direction until it touched that order block right there, right on the 30-minute. So I went on a 1 minute to spot another order block and to spot another pattern, which was the breakout of a structure. Price is pushing up, creating breakout of a structure, pulling back, breakout of a structure, pulling back. This pullback right here, it broke this previous low. So that's my change of character. The price pulled back to this 1 minute order block, right? Which is the smallest I can get. That I cannot go get smaller, any smaller than this. So that's basically the entry. Boom. Right there. TP at this point was below this previous lows. Okay, that was a 1 to 10 risk to reward. Still holding though. Still have some entries left holding. That's on break even. Also the one on the top, it's on break even. So whatever happens at this point, of course, look at the hour of the day. So markets will normally get a lot slower. We'll start consolidating. I don't care whatever happened at this point. I really don't care what's going to happen. My prediction is, because on the daily time frame is starting to react to that big order block, I believe that now the crash is coming. So after having, you know, what a few days bullish, the market has been bullish for a few days now. Let's try to measure for how many days exactly. It's been 46 days since the last down right here. So more than a month. The market has been pushing up, pulling back, pushing up, and it's failing to create new lows. And instead it broke this high. So it's consolidating, building up liquidity. Price pushed up to activate a previous order block at the top. Of course, we're having imbalances, and now the market is reacting to that zone. That's why I'm thinking that the market is going to continue crashing for the next couple of days now. It's very weird that the markets were bullish. I just believe that it's just something temporary. You know, even though the situation is bad, you know, we still have inflation, we still have the high interest rates, we still have the war in Ukraine, the oil prices. Now there are more threatening things. Like I heard about some issues with China and what is this other country? I forgot the name. Somewhere in Asia, I don't know, with this lady that is traveling over that country, and I don't know, it's a bunch of, it's a big story as well in there, but it's threatening right now because it looks like China might actually go invade that country. I don't remember exactly what the country is, I'm sorry. Let me actually Google it right here right now. So China threatens, sorry for my English, Taiwan. Oh yeah, I think it was Taiwan. Yeah, this is the problem. So this is gonna be causing some serious problems now, and this can cause fear. Okay, that's why, you know, markets now can start taking things to the downside now, start being scared a little bit. However, as I mentioned, it's not just this news, it's everything that has been going on, and the market is pushing up. But why was actually pushing up? Because it needed a little bit you know, another little push before actually the market comes crashing down. I do believe that we are going to be creating another low, a new big low right here. There are no signs for this thing of slowing down. If anything, this, you know, inflation will still get worse. So I don't know, that's something that I'm thinking. It's just something after watching and reviewing a lot of things. Let's see what's going to happen anyways. And Nasdaq, as I mentioned right here, I got stopped out. Let me show you the setup, which was the one. If I go on 15-minute, so I had these two order blocks right here. I had this one and I had this one. Kind of similar move. We had a BOS, the change of character, but then you see that it went a little higher. My stop loss was quite tight right here, and I got stopped out. So, anyways, playing out today on Nasdaq, but at least, you know, taking that nice 1 to 10 risk to reward ratio on US30 and still holding this baby up to the downside right here. All right. So if you guys are interested to know what I'm doing, how I'm trading, how we are trading, you can actually go to my website, teamprofitsenglish.com. You will see that I'm offering a bundle right now with a 20% discount. You will get my course, mentorship plus VIP signal group for life. All right. It's only one-time payment and that's it. You don't need to be paying any monthly fees. This is the VIP right here. This is where I post all my daily setups, everything, explanations behind the scenes, why this happened, if I get stopped out, if I not, you know, all setups I'm sending everything in there. Also, if you want to follow me on my free Telegram group, you can find the actual link and the description of this video below. You will be part of that. I do post informations here and there as well, some setups to help out the free community. So feel free to check it out, guys. Thanks again. If you're new on the channel, please subscribe, give it a big thumbs up. It motivates me to keep posting content very, very often. And that will be pretty much all for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take it easy, guys.